What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Metallix from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson along the bottom center of our page with the nose. So we're going to start with the socket. Starting over on the left side, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and then down on the right. Now I want to make a point. On the left side, come down and in towards the center, go up and out towards the right side. Now from here we're going to draw the top edge of the muzzle. So we're going to step over toward the left side, we're going to curve this up above the nose and then back down. Let's round this out and then pull that up towards the outside of the head. Now I'm going to draw the bottom of the head. Starting back on the left, curve this down underneath the tip of the nose, go across and then bend that up. From these 2 points, we're going to draw the inside of the eye. We're going to bend this out and then up. And then from the top, we're just going to angle the eyelid, coming down and then in towards the center. Let's add a thick bevel along the outside. So we're going to step in, curve this down, just blend that in towards the bottom. Let's add that trim around the top corner of the eye. Starting from the outside, we're going to bend this up towards the top. I'm just going to slope this down and blend this in towards the inside of the eye. Let's line this up on the right, going up, and then out towards a point. Come down, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval tucked in underneath the eyelid. We'll come down and then up. And we'll line that up on the right side. And I want to trace that along the inside, drawing a smaller oval. Let's fill the center of the pupils in black. Now I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. Now from the top corner of the eyes, we're going to move up and draw on the outside of the ear. So we're going to step up, angle this up, and then out. Let's line this up on the right, going up and out towards the same height. Now I want to create a point. So from the top, angle this down and then in. Let's close off the inside with a curve. From the bottom, bend this up and then in. Let's go back to the inside point. We're going to draw a straight line going up. We'll connect this line to the tip of the ear with a straight line. Now we're going to go in and fill the inside of the ears in black. Now we're going to surround the outside of the head with 5 spikes. So we're going to start all the way up in the middle at the very top. Let's start with a point. Now from here, we're going to bend this down and then out. Just aiming towards the ear. We're going to leave a gap along the bottom. Do the same thing coming down and out towards the right. Now I'm going to layer those 2 spikes along the top. So from the bottom on the left, we're going to step up. We're going to bend the spike going out and then up towards the top. And then we'll line this up on the right, going out. And we'll try to bring that up towards the same height. Let's go back to the side. We're going to bend this around and just bring that in towards the side of the head to right about there. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down and then bend that in. Now we'll add one smaller set of spikes along the bottom. So back on the left, bend this down and then out. And then going back to the left, curve this down, and just tuck that up underneath the head. On the tip of each spike, there's a little detail. So let's start at the very top in the middle. Start with another point. From here, we're going to bend this down and then out toward the left and then the right side. Let's add a point along the top, going up and out with a straight line. Now here, we just want to curve this down and in, then bend this out and then up. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So starting from the inside, draw a straight line going up, bend this down and in, bend this out and then up. Let's add another point along the bottom, coming down and out, and we'll bend this down and then in towards the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw metallics from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.